The best part about wireless systems is freedom. No cables to worry about. But most wireless systems promise freedom and then overload you with a ton of complexity and troubleshooting. That's why Sennheiser EW-D systems are designed for simplicity, and it's one of the main reasons EW-D racks up 5-star reviews all over the world. EW-D offers easy setup and monitoring, even for wireless beginners. We don't assume you're a sound engineer or that there's always one nearby to help. That's what makes EW-D so great for musicians, bands managing their own gear, and small to medium-sized venues. Features like AutoScan help with automatic frequency management, ensuring reliable connections, minimizing interference, and reducing setup time. Smart notifications also have your back with troubleshooting tips when you need them most. Lastly, the Smart Assist app puts EW-D in the palm of your hand, giving you full visibility and control on your phone via Bluetooth. With EW-D, you get professional-grade components, exceptional sound quality, and proven reliability, all without having to worry about the little details that make it all work.